everyone. If you can't tell, it is very dark outside. It is super early in the morning. It is also frigid outside. You really can tell how much I value Pilates to be leaving at this ungodly hour and to be bundling up this much, but believe it or not, it is worth it. We have a big day ahead of us planned. Maybe we'll treat ourselves to some Starbucks if we're lucky. Come along with me. It's gonna be a great day. Okay, all done with Pilates. This class normally has 12 people in it. Classes like book up immediately and everyone shows up. But the weather is so bad today that only 6 people were there and a couple people were actually late. So when I tell you that I risk it all to go to these classes, that is how much I value Pilates. But I have a little bit more energy in me, so I'm actually gonna go head over to the gym just to do some cardio, and then we will continue on with our day. Sometimes I just go just to run a mile or two to get the heart rate up, get myself moving a little bit, and you just leave feeling so much just fresher and healthier and energized. If you have 30 minutes, get a little workout in. Your body will thank you. Ooh, that's bright. Ooh. So anywho, on my way home now, lucky me and lucky you, because I just got a notification that my packages arrived, which are all Amazon workout outfits. And the first one was so popular and there was such a demand for another one, I figured, why not? Stay tuned for that. Quick intermission to tell you that I just reached 150 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel, leaving comments. I appreciate each and every one of you so, so much. And with that, if you're not already subscribed, what the heck? Let's take this moment to go down, subscribe, like the video while you're down there, and then feel free to leave me a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next. Back in the car again, I showered up and did some work, and now I'm on my way to get a wax, which you obviously will not be joining me for. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I can't stand body hair. Like, I wish that I was just a naked mole rat. If I could have no hair from the eyelashes down, I would be thrilled. But I'm not a candidate for laser hair removal because I'm blonde. It works better if you have like darker hair so they can see the follicles easier to laser them away. I know this is like such a champagne problem, but it's like so annoying. If any of you are blonde and you somehow did qualify for laser hair removal, please let me know where. If there's one thing that I love, it is bagged salads. They are affordable, healthy, so easy to put together. Usually just comes with a few bags of ingredients, and then I'll add half an avocado in there and then whatever salad dressing. We'll use these for dinner and just put like some sort of protein with it, maybe a starch. I just love them. Simple, easy, cheap, get bagged salads. Even Layla loves them. I did some more work. We're back in the car now, going to get our lashes done, but honestly, it is so cold and icy outside, and I'm just so brave for going outside that I think I deserve a Starbucks. So I think we're gonna stop by there first. I deserve it. Stop screaming at me. Okay, this is so embarrassing. First of all, my lashes are done. That's not the embarrassing part. Whenever I get my lashes done, I fall asleep every single time. If you're not familiar with how lash extensions work, for an hour and a half, your eyes are taped shut. And of course, the lady that I go to is so lovely. She has like the most comfortable recliner. It's so warm in there. There's like pillows under your head and your legs and stuff. Like, she's setting you up for a nap. But finally one day, this is like the, I don't know, 5th, 6th time that I'd gone to her, I was like, I fell asleep for so long, like I'm so embarrassed. And she was just like, girl, I fall asleep every time I get my lashes done. Like, I want you to fall asleep. That means that you're fully relaxed and you're comfortable. It's supposed to be a relaxing experience. So I was like, oh, okay. So now it's like, when I go there, I'm almost like, oh, I'm gonna get a little nap. Now we are on the way to get our nails done. I don't know what color I should get. What color should I get? Tell me through the screen. I'm home again. I love the nail color. My nail tech, who I've been seeing for like, oh my gosh, like 6 years now, 6-7 years. I love him. He like called me out, so I picked this color and he was like, you always pick that color. I was like, I'm sorry, I'm so predictable. It must be so boring. I have a little bit more work that I have to do, but I got a new blender. As a lot of you know, I make smoothies every single day, and my blender crap, the bed. So it was time to get a new one. So I got a much nicer one. So I'm gonna unbox that with you now. I had to try out the blender right away, so we're gonna go ahead and make a smoothie with some almond milk, some vanilla protein, some non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, a full banana, and some strawberries. Okay, so last thing on our to-do list today, we need to pack for my ski trip. I already have everything brought up from the basement. Here we have my ski boots and my helmet, among just like some gloves, scarves, all that kind of stuff. And then here are my skis and ski poles, all ready to go for the plane. Now I need to pack my actual suitcase with my clothes and my carry-on for the plane. It's the next day. I was so tired yesterday, I didn't get a chance to close out the vlog. Thank you so much for keeping me company yesterday. Since then, I have gained another 10 subscribers, so now there are 160 of you. I am so grateful and appreciative that you have decided to come along this journey with me. If you are not one of those 160 lovely people, become one. Please subscribe down below, leave the video a like, also give me a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. It's free and it really helps me out a lot. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok where I post daily updates. And with that, I thank you so much for watching and I wish you a lovely day.